Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin and snag some on Binance? Let's break down the process in a super simple way. First, you'll need a Binance account. Head over to Binance.com and click the sign up button. Follow the prompts to create your account using your email or phone number, and make sure you choose a strong password. Security is key, so next you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a photo ID like a driver's license or passport, and possibly a selfie. Follow Binance's instructions carefully. Now, let's fund your account. Navigate to the deposit section. You can deposit fiat currency like USD, EUR, or AUD using options like bank transfer or your credit, debit card. Alternatively, you can deposit other cryptocurrencies you might already own. Once your account is funded, it's time to trade. Go to the trade section, then select spot. You'll see either a classic or advanced interface. They both work, so pick whichever you find easier to use. Now, find the Bitcoin trading pair that matches the currency you deposited. For example, if you deposited US dollars, search for BTC USD. If you deposited euros, search for BTC EUR. If you deposited USDT, search for BTC USDT. Choose your order type. If you want to buy Bitcoin instantly at the current price, select market. If you want to set a specific price you're willing to pay, choose limit. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, or the amount of your currency you want to spend. Double check all the details. Finally, confirm the purchase, and that's it. You've officially bought Bitcoin on Binance. Now you can buy more, sell, or hold.